Hey tool lovers, welcome back to the Tool Spot. Today, we're diving into 20 of the coolest DeWalt tools that'll absolutely blow your mind. From powerful cordless machines to genius innovations, these tools show exactly why DeWalt continues to dominate the game. Let's check them out. Pipe Deburring Tool. For anyone tired of messy pipe edges, the DeWalt Pipe Deburring Tool is your new best friend. It tackles pipes up to 33% larger and 60% more material types than before. With rust-resistant blades, variable speed control, and inside-outside deburring action, you'll get professional, clean edges every single time. TUF Series Construction Jack. Working smarter becomes effortless with the new TUF Series Construction Jack. This tool perfectly represents DeWalt's push toward reducing job site strain. It is designed to lift, level, and position heavy loads with remarkable precision and control. The dual-mode handle gives you options: a step-to-lift motion that uses your body weight for quick movement, and a squeeze-to-lift action for fine, controlled adjustments. One of the most impressive features is the slim, tapered base that easily fits under low-clearance items like cabinets and appliances. Comfort is also built in, thanks to an ergonomically shaped grip with an over-molded handle reinforced with metal ribs for dependable support. It handles loads up to 340 pounds, and with countersunk mounting holes for added stability, plus a quick-release function for fast setup. This tool is engineered to save time and effort on challenging tasks. Plastic Tubing Cutter. Cutting pipes shouldn't feel like a workout. The DeWalt Plastic Tubing Cutter handles pipes up to 2 inches thick, like it's slicing through warm butter. With 400 cuts per charge, LED lights that shine into dark corners, and dual cutting modes for speed or precision, it's 3 times faster and 10 times smoother than your old cutter. 20V Max Hammer Drill. If you need serious drilling power, DeWalt's 20V Max Hammer Drill delivers exactly that. It is their most powerful 20V hammer drill yet, built to tackle demanding applications with confidence. The standout feature is the anti-rotation system, which senses excessive rotational movement during bind-ups and instantly shuts the tool down to protect the user. This model is all about productivity, offering up to 275 holes per charge to keep you working longer without interruption. Its durable all-metal, 3-speed transmission is engineered for heavy job site duty while optimizing runtime. A pivoting 3-position LED light brightens dark spaces and includes a 20-minute spotlight mode for prolonged illumination. Equipped with a high-strength ratcheting metal chuck with carbide inserts, this drill ensures outstanding bit retention and reliability on every job. Impact Driver. When screws refuse to cooperate, the DeWalt Impact Driver steps up. This torque monster is 66% stronger and over 60% faster than before. With 3-speed settings, variable trigger control, and a massive 2,500 inch-pounds of torque, it doesn't just drive screws, it dominates them. 20V Max Compact Press Tool Kit. The 20V Max Compact Press Tool Kit brings impressive versatility to plumbing and mechanical work. Its slim, inline body makes overhead work and one-handed pressing incredibly manageable, especially in tight spaces where larger tools struggle. It is compatible with all DeWalt Compact Series pressing attachments and includes 4 CTS jaws that cover a full range of common copper and stainless steel pipe sizes. A rotating 180-degree head helps you access ideal angles in challenging locations. The integrated LED light improves visibility, while Crimp Connect software tracks calibration, usage cycles, and detailed reports. A quick reset button allows immediate recovery from jaw misalignment, and the built-in Tool Connect chip makes inventory tracking simple and reliable. Gravel Lifter. Say goodbye to backbreaking lifting. The DeWalt Grabo lifter hauls up to 265 pounds like a champ, gripping tiles, glass, and metal with vacuum precision. With smart pressure sensors, an LED display, and low battery alerts, it's the lifting hero that makes heavy work feel light. 2x20V Max XR Push Mower. DeWalt's redesigned 2x20V Max XR Push Mower is built to deliver top-tier electric cutting performance. Its high-efficiency cutting system pairs a rugged steel deck with dual blades and an intelligent auto-sense motor that adjusts power based on grass density. This helps deliver up to 100 minutes of runtime on a single charge. The one-touch folding handle allows fast transition into vertical storage mode, reducing its storage footprint by 82%. Designed for mulching, bagging, and rear discharge, the mower fills its bag to 95% capacity before needing to be emptied. Operating at 85% less noise than gas mowers, it also creates a much quieter mowing experience. Wet Center Core Drill Bit Set. When you need perfect holes in reinforced concrete, the DeWalt Core Drill Kit delivers. With a 3-speed selector, anti-rotation safety, and a wireless water control system, it cuts up to 6 3/8 inches cleanly and safely. Compact, powerful, and built for tough conditions, it's precision drilling made easy. Concrete Power Screed Kit. Tired of uneven finishes? The DeWalt Power Screed Kit smooths concrete like glass with up to 7,800 vibrations per minute. Its rotating handles make it easy to control, and with multiple bar compatibility, you'll finish faster, cleaner, and without the strain. XR Nailer Stapler. Compact, lightweight, and unstoppable, the DeWalt XR Nailer Stapler drives up to 4 nails per second with pinpoint precision. Switch from sequential mode for accuracy to bump mode for speed. The brushless motor means longer life, less maintenance, and smoother work. 3000 max PSI pressure washer. When it comes to outdoor cleaning, the DeWalt 3000 max PSI pressure washer changes the game. It delivers up to 40% more pressure, cutting through tough buildup whether you are on a job site or at home. DeWalt designed it with smart internal storage compartments that securely hold the wand and all nozzles, creating a compact, self-contained form factor that is twice as compact as previous models. It can be stored either vertically or horizontally, giving you more flexibility in tight spaces. Multiple grab points, built-in wheels, and a retractable handle make transportation simple. The kit includes 4 nozzles, including a turbo nozzle that expands your cleaning width significantly, plus a foam cannon for heavy-duty applications. A kink-resistant 25-foot hose and 35-foot power cord ensure excellent reach for large areas. Critical Connection Undercut Anchors. When the job demands strength and safety, the DeWalt Critical Connection Anchor delivers. It installs easily into a fixed depth hole, handling seismic, static, and dynamic loads in cracked or uncracked concrete. Designed for maximum load transfer, tight spacing, and superior stability, it's the definition of secure fastening. Core Drill Bit Holder Kit. Drilling in tight spots just got smarter. The DeWalt Core Drill Holder locks in your 60-volt drill with vacuum suction, adjustable tilt from -5 to 45 degrees, and quick-release wheels. Built with easy water management, it's like giving your drill its own professional workstation. Concrete Nailer. Forget gas and cords. The DeWalt Concrete Nailer delivers pure battery power for concrete and steel. Its brushless motor fires up to 600 shots per charge, while adjustable pin depth, dual LED lights, and a 33-pin magazine give you speed, accuracy, and power without the fumes. Combination Hammer. For tough concrete, the DeWalt Combination Hammer hits with 6.1 joules of impact energy. With anti-rotation clutch, vibration-reducing technology, and a brushless motor, it drills, chips, and cores with unmatched precision. Lightweight yet powerful, it's your go-to tool for heavy-duty work. Water Pressure Washer. Power washing just got fun. The DeWalt Pressure Washer blasts away dirt with 3,400 psi and a 2.5-gallon per minute flow. A smart LED panel, quick start trigger, and maintenance-free pump make it easy to use and hard to beat. From decks to driveways, everything sparkles after a session with this beast. 20V Max Transfer Pump. The 20V Max Transfer Pump is a fast and portable solution for moving water or water glycol mixtures in a wide array of applications. Its self-priming design allows it to begin operating quickly with minimal setup. The LED-embedded switch ensures easy operation, and it effortlessly handles a 60% water to 40% glycol mixture. With a flow rate of up to 4.5 gallons per minute and a head height capacity of 45 feet, this pump offers excellent performance for draining tanks, clearing flooded areas, or transferring system fluids. Its lightweight build makes transport easy, and it is fully compatible with tool-connected inventory tracking. 9-inch cutoff saw. Leave the gas behind. The DeWalt 9-inch cutoff saw runs purely on battery power, slicing through concrete and masonry with ease. Dual water delivery keeps dust down, while the rotating 5-position guard gives perfect visibility. Rugged, efficient, and cordless, it's the clean-cut solution every pro needs. Aviation Snips. The DeWalt Ergo Aviation Snips make cutting tough materials simple. Whether it's sheet metal, aluminum, or leather, it slices with 15% less effort. Serrated edges prevent slipping, while the soft grip keeps things comfortable. Tough cuts, zero stress. PowerShift 60 kg Class Rammer. The PowerShift 60 kg Class Rammer delivers gas-like performance without the maintenance or fumes. Its agile, compact design is excellent for tight spaces such as trenches and around foundations. A durable sealed, brushless motor eliminates maintenance concerns and stands up to harsh job site conditions. DeWalt's soft start feature ensures smooth, controlled activation. The ergonomic handle height is fully adjustable for comfort, and intuitive controls for on, off, and speed selection are easy to reach. A transport roller, lift point, and handle streamline mobility, and an optional wheel kit expands transport options further. PowerShift Forward Plate Compactor. The PowerShift Forward Plate Compactor offers 15 kilonewtons of compaction force with the convenience of cordless operation. Its ergonomically engineered handle features vibration dampening technology to reduce fatigue during long use. A sealed, brushless motor delivers maintenance-free performance and provides up to 100 Hz of vibration output. Conveniently placed controls allow you to activate or deactivate the unit without changing your grip. An overheat protection indicator helps safeguard the machine. The included removable water tank and gravity-fed sprinkler system make it ready for asphalt compaction right out of the box. And that wraps up our look at 20 of the coolest DeWalt tools taking over the job site. From powerful drivers to high-tech gear, these tools prove that DeWalt keeps setting the bar higher. If you enjoyed the lineup, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Tool Spot. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.